This is me, Karen, from Sosua Inn Hotel. This is the new part of Hotel Sosua Inn Plus luxury ocean view rooms. Like over here, you already see a small ocean view. Over here, we have the elevator to come up to the new rooms. We click on open, and we go to the hallway to go to the room. We're looking at room number 407. Over here we have a closet. We have a closet. We have a mirror. Right over here at the room, we also have a seating area where you can work with your laptop. We also have the beautiful shiny full moon. Over here we have the king size bed. We upgraded to a mirror. Over here we also have fridge and a freezer, 75-inch TV. We have sofa bed, couch. The most beautiful thing over here, we have the ocean view. And over here we have a jacuzzi, massage jacuzzi, and the nicest ocean view. Like over here you see Puerto Plata airport is right over here. Puerto Plata, you will see today's a bit hazy, but anyways, you see Puerto Plata. Our parking is down. We also have this view of the bank Popular. And over here we have the park of Parque Las Banderas. It's the park of flags. And over here we have Hard Rock Cafe. Sosua. And over here we have the room back again. This is room number 407. 407.